Good morning, students. Once again, I am here for explaining about the impact of British rule in India. So, in the previous class, already you studied about the civil services. Next, see about the judicial system. Okay. Before that, I want to say that when the Britishers won the Battle of Boxer, they had divided the government powers into the Indian native rulers also, and they also took the powers. Indian native rulers only have the powers like administrative, and Britishers took the powers of collecting the taxes, land tax revenues. So here, but when they took the control over the whole India, that time when they started their own rule, that time they brought a lot of changes in the judicial system, in the administrative system also. So here in the 1772, Warren Hastings, who established the two types of courts. One is about the Diwani Adalat and another one is the Fauzdari Adalat. Diwani Adalat means civil court and Fauzdari Adalat means criminal court. So, the both court were working under the European officers. So, this is about the judicial system. Actually, the both court were working under the European officers, and for the Hindus, they giving the judgment through the Hindu scripture, and for the Muslims they giving the judgment through based on the Sharia. So this is about the judicial system. Next see about the police system. So police system, that changes brought by the Lord Cornwallis, who created the Superintendent of Police SP post for the first time, and he divided districts into many stations, and he kept the Kotwal for take caring or controlling the violence in the stations level. And not only that, he kept the chowkidars in the every villages for controlling the violence. And in the 1781, he started to appoint the magistrators, and the all police system were started working under the magistrates. So this is about the police system. Then after this, about the military. So, after the military system, Britishers started to hire a lot of Indian soldiers for the military purpose. But they not hired the Indian people as the high post. It only for the level of Subedar. So, this is all about the judicial system and police system and the military system. And in the next video, we are going to discuss about the next topic. Thank you.